common characteristic of many volunteers is humility, and their feeling that the rewards they gain for their volunteer work exceeds that which they give. That's definitely the case for Ray Prasad, who has donated countless hours to IPC over the past 3 decades. Ray started working with IPC in 1981, when he first presented a paper on hand soldering. But when asked to reflect on all the hours he's donated to IPC projects since then, he feels it's been time well spent. Right from the start, Ray found a close link between his IPC efforts and his success at Boeing, where he worked at the time. Joe Velstad, a Boeing colleague who was actively involved with IPC, helped Ray gain even more success when he helped him get his paper published in the IPC Technical Review. Ray was already a regular attendee at IPC meetings by 1985 when Dieter Bergman tapped him to become chair of the Land Pattern Committee. By then, he worked at Intel, having received an offer he couldn't refuse to start their SMT program. His IPC efforts morphed into settling up the SMT Roundtable. Then he helped start the Surface Mount and Reflow Technology SMART Conference. In addition, his expertise with ball grid arrays, chip-scale packaging technology, and design for manufacturing adds to his effectiveness as a leader of the 521 Ball Grid Array Task Group and co-chair of the 521H Bottom Termination Components Task Group. Ray served as the past chairman of the Surface Mount Land Pattern and Package Cracking Committees. Since the early 90s, Ray has worked as a consultant, and for much of the success Ray has logged throughout his career, he credits his involvement with IPC in helping him to achieve it. In turn, IPC credits some of its success to Ray as well. Please join me now in honoring Ray Prasad.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to say one thing, and that is that for whatever reason, right from the beginning, from 1985 when I chaired the Land Pattern Committee, 782, Dieter was my staff liaison. And since then I have chaired a lot of other committees, and for whatever reason it's always Dieter who's my staff liaison. And you know what the definition of Dieter is? I like the one that there are a lot of definitions, but the one I really like is what Ray Pritchard, whose honor we are achieving this, receiving this award, he described him as a human machine. And we, the volunteers, get all these credits, but if you really know the details, it's people like him and the staff and Jeannie, and that they are the guys who make this, these fast track, these documents go and look so smooth. And thank you, Dieter, and thanks people like Mark Pritchard, who have done so many interesting videos that I have used them so many places. And it's a great teaching experience, a great learning experience for everybody, so thank you. And again, I'm very honored. I have received various awards, but this one I will certainly cherish for my entire life. Thank you very much.